Let's see it.
She stepped on her foot. Hey.
Are you mad at yourself? How's that work?
Good girl. Good girl.
Holy cow. We only did it twice. Once I did it and Mom and Abby did it.
Good
And I just
girl.
wanted to record this.
Good girl.
She's doing it all by herself.
Good girl.
She's thinking all by herself. Whoa.
Oh.
Malia. You're totally going to be walking before. Holy cow. She's only 6 months.
Good girl.
She's
She's looking at her feet too.
I know, she's
She's
like, wow, this is neat. Like, she's like, what's going on? But she's like, I'm moving it on my own.
You come here. Come here.
Move the other foot.
I think it might be easier for her to move her left. She might be a lefty.
Come on, you can do
Are you a
it.
lefty?
You can do it.
I might be distracting her. I won't talk anymore.
That one she did. There's the other foot.
Go on.
She was trying, though. She really wants to.
You can do it. Lift the foot up. Okay, good girl.
There's a little step.
Good girl.
Baby steps. Now do the other one.
Put the knee up. That one was really good. Did she
I know.
go?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Move it.
You can do it.
Maybe move farther,
You
like
can
move
do
your
it.
body farther away.
You can do it.
Extend.
Come closer. Just try it. Let's try this foot. There you go. Let's try the other foot. Try your other foot. Try your other
She's
foot.
getting wobbly now.
Why are we getting tired?
Her legs are wobbly.
Oh. Oh.
She's like, I can't get to Mom. I'm trying, but
You made it.
good job.
I've never seen her do it on her own.
Yay!
Good girl.
Yay!
You're a good girl.
We gotta do that again. I want to videotape and see a good step like that.
You're a good girl.
Good job.